Good morning, class. This morning we are going to begin a unit on personal narratives. And so we will start out, as always, looking at our learning standards. For this set of lessons, we will be looking at the Ohio New Learning Standards under writing, and this is grade 5, and we notice the big standard number 3 is write narratives to develop real or imagined experiences or events using effective technique, descriptive details, and clear event sequences. So we are going to look at some techniques that allow us to do that. What we will do is ask an essential question. And of course, I will want you to look at some other pieces of writing and kind of think on your own and answer for yourself this question. What do I need to do in, oops, in order to write a compelling personal narrative? So that will be our big question. So we will be working from our Edmodo site, and I'm going to give you a little clue as to how to navigate through what we'll be doing for the class. Of course, each day I'll show you what we'll be doing for that day, but just to kind of give you an overview. So one of the things to notice about the Edmodo classroom is that it's not necessarily set up in order as far as your posts or assignments go. So what you'll need to do is just look for the number, and that will help you to kind of mentally keep the order of what we're doing. Number 1 will be let's start here. We'll talk about how we need to talk to each other when we're posting online. And you guys will have a good deal of input into that. Number 2 is this video, which you're watching right now. So then we'll have number 3, and then number 4, we'll talk about what is a personal narrative. What do you think that is? Have you written one before? Have you read one before? What do you think needs to go into that? Then we'll just read some different examples. Number 4, number 5, number 6. We'll look at personal narratives, look at kind of pointers as to what they have, discuss what we should maybe avoid when we're writing, and just compare different things. And I'm going to ask you, what do you think? You know, you're looking at these things, you're writing, you're reading the writing, and you're the ones who are going to write. So what do you think should be included, and what do you think we should not include when we're writing? Of course, as we go, I may be adding more assignments, more posts to which you are to respond, but as long as you keep in mind to follow the numbers, you'll be fine. The other thing is, of course, in class, we'll talk about what comes first and what we're working on that day. So, you know, if you're there, it won't be a problem. You can also see that I've set up some small groups. So what we'll do when you actually start writing is create some conferences in Edmodo and let you read and discuss each other's writing through those. So we'll get started, and I'll share more with you as you need more information. I'm excited to see what your personal writing looks like.